Oke, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, let's we thank Allah SWT who has given us a blessing and mercy so we can attend and gather in here without any problem and any obstacle. And secondly, my salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has thanks to Jaila Arah to Islamic Qur'an. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Ahsan Afghani. You can call me Ahsan. I'm from 10 RPL, and now I want presentation and teach about software developer. Okay, we go to our topic. So in here I want to teach you about the software developer, a profession in digital era. What is software developer? A software developer is a professional who design, creates, and maintains software. They translate user needs into functional application or system. Okay, in here there is a simple example of types in programming. First is string. String is a storage text example. Hello world. Illustration process coding. And then the second of a simple example is integer. Integer is a storage whole number. And then in here I forgot add. And then the other is example 42. Example 42 is for integer. And then in here is a benefit of software developer for us. First is good salary, because software developer have a good salary from still beginner, still just work or just work or beginner that have a good salary. When I search in ChatGPT for first salary for software developer is 10,000 until 10 million until 15 million. And then the second is remote work opportunities. So we can work from home, not go to office. So like example, you have a job from other country, from America, and you don't need go to there. You just from Indonesia, from your home with laptop, because now technology is very modern and we can use a platform for software developer. And then the last is global opportunities. So we can have a connection with other friends from other country, like from Japan, from USA, from Saudi Arabia, and from other, because software developer is a global team. Okay, now is a main text. The main text of a software developer. First is develop software, build, test, and maintain application or system. So we make, test, and maintain is like save lah application or system. So software not only application that have system also. And then fix good bugs, debugging. And then identify and resolve errors in the program. So when we have a bug in our code, we must do it. We must do it until finish. And this is a very hard for us because there is some code we don't know. There is some code that we don't know where the bug, because all is good, right? But there is the bug, so we must understand where the bug. And then collaborate, work with teams to design solution. Yeah, we must work together. I mean, we work together with DKV. So DKV and RPL is one team. So DKV is make design, and then RPL is make a code. That is one team when we work, because DKV need RPL, RPL need DKV, because that is our life. Okay, and then in here is types of software developer. Front-end developer design the app's interface to be iterative and user-friendly. And then the second type is backend developer. Manage the logic, database, and servers behind the scans. And then in here is full stack developer, skilled in both front end and back end to build complete application. So software developer have 3 types, but have so much types. I only give 3 types that is very famous for us. First is for front end developer, that is design the app interface be drive and user friendly. And then backend developer is like make database, code, and make other. And then the last is full stack developer. Full stack developer is both. So he make a front end developer and back end developer. And for the salary, full stack developer I think more big than back end and front end developer. Okay, and here is a required skill for us. So we need the skill for work later. And first is programming, of course. That is like HTML, Python, JavaScript, etc. etc is other. And I want add like CSS, PHP, and other, because I forgot. And then in here is problem solving problem in code. So when we have problem in code, we must do it, we must finish. So we must understand what the problem. And then the last is teamwork and communication, robust teamwork. So like I see before, if we want to work alone, that is not I should to you, because everyone when work must have friend, and we can call teamwork, and we must have a good communication for us, because if we have some bad communication or something, that can make our work be bad. Okay, in here is tools and technologies. Tools and technologies used to build and develop software. First is version control, Git and GitHub. That is like a platform in Google or put our project, and we can demonstration to other, like publish lah. And then this database, MySQL and MongoDB. Database is like data centers that every data gets saved in there. And then ID there is Visual Studio, code and intelligent idea. That is like code platform. Yeah, we always use that for work, yeah. And then the last is from works. There is Rex, Django, Springboard. I forgot the meaning what it. Okay, in here I have a class. I one classing and I have one notification. What is consultation? Software developer is essential profession in digital era, requiring analytical skill, creativity, and teamwork ability. And then my motivation is never stop learning because technology keeps evolving and opportunities are always open for those who strive. So every month technology have a best. I forgot about that, but every year technology not same, always up. Like now we use Google, maybe later we use other platform that is more good. And then come on, keep up the spirit. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.